crap. Stripped out on both of them.
Okay, we're welding this piece together because it's got to be a little different from the other one. Now we're going to wire up these cables so that it disconnects.
Yeah, and I'm using 14.2, but it's a signal wire. So we don't really have any voltage or any current on it. But I had some extra 14.2 We decided to use it instead of buying more wire. These are deck screws are coated. I gotta make sure I get it down to the metal because this is a signal wire.
So where's that white wire go?
Right here. I'm getting the needle nose. I don't know where, but somewhere.
So this one is plugging in on the screws on the metal plate on the back.
Yeah, both of these, one goes to this metal, and then this screw goes through and touches the metal. When the elevator comes down and presses this, it opens in contact. Well, that's what it's supposed to do. We gotta check it, see if it's adjusted right.
So we gotta hook up the other wire upstairs.
Yeah. Okay. That's connected.
This is the wire that goes to that bottom cutoff that we're gonna run through the wall up to the top. All right, we got that wired in. Goes up this side of the wall and up there. Okay, he's determining this button that goes up and down on this meter over here, whatever it's called. trying to figure out what wires go to which one. Can't see nothing.
I need some little wire nuts.
Well, we don't have no little wire nuts, so I don't know what to tell you.
Well, that just sucks.
Can't you solder them together? Got a soldering gun.
Yeah. But I done cut them apart. We can't go come and get it.
Since we don't have any teeny tiny wire nuts, we're going to solder these together to plug back into that little module. It's a good thing you didn't drop that.
I'm telling you. It was about gone. I don't know that it'll do, but we'll try it. That heated up a lot quicker than I thought it would. I guess because it's about 100 degrees up here. Okay.
I don't.
Well, that figures. Okay.
Now this hooks into that little module which makes it go up and down, right?
Solenoid, yeah.
So that we can take the big thick wire off, right? The one that's got to stay connected, right?
That one.
That thing that goes up and down.
Oh, we're going to cut this off.
And we're going to
a
put
box with our buttons.
buttons. Okay.
Yeah. I don't like this thing. Okay. Well, that's connected. So what we did, basically, these wires that drive this solenoid for in and out, all we did is wire our switches and come up here and just split them and intercept them and soldered our switches in. So everything works like normal unless our switch gets opened by the thing moving too far and it hitting one. And I'm fixing to test it right now and see if it works. Okay. It won't go up no more.
Okay.
Perfectly level. So now I can mash it and hold it in, and when it hits that switch, the floors are level and it won't go no more. 'Cause
Awesome.
It kills that circuit.
Yep.
Now I got to do the one going down.
It just basically he's going to do the same thing with that wire as he did with
Yeah.
the other. So.
This set of wires right here comes from the bottom of the switch.
Okay.
Now we'll have to do some work on it because I don't think it's going to cut off because the concrete's not level and there's a little low. So we're going to have to adjust that switch to trigger just a little quicker. Not a big deal. It's just another step we got to do. That's two things I've dropped that got real lucky that they didn't end up in the floor. Why? And it really don't matter which color goes where here, because it's really just a continuity circuit. This is a little different than the way I did the one at the house, but we got to set a button upstairs, set a button downstairs, and a set of buttons inside the elevator. So we don't need that here. We just need the one set in the elevator.
Well, y'all get the gist of what we're doing.